Hey, it's your girl Nikki Pink Goddess. We're gonna talk about today Go E1U Life scam. Here's the reality about MLM and crypto income, right? Let's get straight to it because I am so tired of seeing people throw shade on a legit platform and calling everything a scam just because the platform isn't their cup of tea, right? Or they may have joined an opportunity before, and I'm speaking of network marketing, MLM, however you want to call it, and they didn't show up and do the work. So they're now looking at opportunities who have compensation structures in their opinion that looks like a scam or whatever they're trying to utilize, calling Go E1U Life a scam. They are literally sitting here trying to sabotage this amazing platform. And you know, I was in the process of building out my funnel and I said, let me hop on here really quick and do this video. I am almost finished building out the things that I'm building out for my team and my community. I wanted to hop in, do this video really quick and break down the real reason why MLM gets a bad name and why Go E1U Life is different and what you need to know before you miss out on a real life-changing crypto earning opportunity. And if you're ready for some truth that most people are not going to tell you, keep watching because this video might just save you from making a broke mindset decision. So let's get into it, baby. So first and foremost, really quick, I wanted to hop in and show you that I have been really working over here, working on this funnel, right? This is a funnel that I am building out for my team. I'm not going to show you the landing page because it's not completed yet, but I utilize the product with Go E1U Life to build out this funnel. I'm not sure if you're familiar or not, but Go E1U Life is literally white labeled Go High Level. If you don't have any idea of what Go High Level is, please understand if you are building any type of business online where you want people to go and see whatever you're sharing on a website, you can utilize our products and tools with Go E1U Life. You literally can build sales funnels. This is what you call a sales funnel. When a person visits your page that you put together to see information, and you give them, like I'm saying here, see how it pulled up? I'm capturing the name and email address for someone who is interested in learning how to create income from crypto. And so to bring this page home to you, a person would see this page if I made a post on social media about how you can create income from home or about how you can utilize tools to grow and scale your business from 6 to 7 to 8 figures. There are so many different places that you can place advertisements online. You can do YouTube videos, Instagram, TikTok, whatever information you're sharing online for people to visit your site. You can create a funnel, which this is called a sales funnel. There's different types of funnels. You don't have to have a video. You don't have to have anything other than some words and a link for them to click to get more information. You can have a website. There are so many different things that you can create to grow and scale your business. And we have access to all of those tools, including AI functionality with Go E1U Life. So that alone makes our platform not a scam because we have a real legit high demand product that we have. Okay, that's number one. Number two, we just so happen to have a sexy compensation structure that pays us, the affiliates, a handsome amount of income, right? For us to share the platform with people who want to make money or use the products. Like that is it, right? So MLM really isn't the problem. Misunderstanding leverage is. Every single day people tear down MLM, network marketing, and I will never understand why, because there are so many people, y'all, that are able to go into a network marketing company and start with a small package. You know, you can join a network marketing company, MLM and network marketing, just so you can understand, those words are interchangeable. Some people call it MLM, some people call it network marketing. It doesn't matter. It's still the same. Network marketing and MLM is nothing but sharing products and services with other people, and you get a commission when you do that. That's called word of mouth marketing. That's just like if you call up your friend and say, hey girl, did you know that Victoria's Secret is having a sale right now and you can get XYZ for 2 for $25 and it's normally like $50 a piece, and you call your homegirl and tell her that, and she goes in there and buys. Victoria's Secret isn't going to give you a dime. Even though you just marketed their product to someone else and they went in and made a purchase, you don't get a dime from that, right? So that's where network marketing comes in. They say, hey, we're not going to spend all the big dollars to advertise our company on TV, billboards, and all those things. We're going to pay distributors who go out and word of mouth market. And now it's super easy because we have access to the internet and you can hop on the internet and share these opportunities. That's exactly what we have here with Go E1U Life. But they pay us 90 to 95% commissions to do that. And if you work together with a group of people who have the right mindset, that is the key. That's what's missing. See, when you go out here and hear all these people sit up and badmouth MLM and sit up and badmouth them for opportunities to make money, I don't care what anybody says. People start businesses every single day to create income for financial freedom. You think people start businesses and go out here and do businesses just to do it for fun? No, they're doing it because they want more money in their family's bottom line. They're tired of struggling. They're tired of robbing Peter to pay Paul. So they need to make some extra income. So what better way can they do that than by utilizing a product or service under a MLM or a affiliate marketing structure where you're going to get paid a percentage for you to share. That way you don't have to take on the expense of creating the company. You don't have to take on the expense of payroll. You're letting somebody else do that and you're getting a smaller percentage of the commissions, right? Affiliate marketing opportunities, they pay you anywhere from 10% to 95%. There's opportunities out there that are going to pay you anywhere from that. For me, I don't like to give away more than 90. Like I want 90 and I'll do 80%, but at a minimum for me, 80% is the lowest that I'm willing to go because it takes the same amount of effort for people to get the sale. I don't want to give somebody 60, 70, 80, 90% of my commission. That's crazy. Especially when you have experience and you understand the whole process of sharing information and all of the things that go into it. You want to make the largest amount of commission that you can make. And so for me, when people sit around and talk about MLM, I just know that those people don't understand leverage. Like you literally can leverage yourself when you're doing an MLM company, or a platform like Go E1U Life. You don't only receive commissions with Go E1U Life when only you share it, like meaning that you're the only person that can share it, unlike some other opportunities where you don't get any leverage when you share it with other people and they share it too. Like I just gave you the example for Victoria's Secrets. I'm not getting nothing by telling somebody about Victoria's Secrets or about a restaurant or anything that I'm not affiliated with where they're going to cut me a check for sharing that information. Whereas with Go E1U Life, we actually give a percentage out, which happens to be really high for the industry. 90 to 95% goes out to the field. Like that is amazing. So unless you are in the sales arena, in the sales marketing area, you may not understand that, but that is what we have here. Like we are actually purchasing a business. When you join Go E1U Life, you are purchasing a business. I know in the beginning, a lot of people may have not presented it that way. And even myself, because I really didn't understand the power of the tools that we actually purchased to get access to when I joined Go E1U Life. And that's what's taking me so long to come back. As you can see, I haven't done a video in 7 days. That's because I've been over here working behind the scenes, putting everything together so that the people that I bring into my team and I share this with, they're going to know and understand exactly what we're doing here. And we're going to scale and grow our businesses to 6, 7 plus figures this year. Not next year, but this year in 2025. So I just want you to know that a lot of people fail in MLM and network marketing because they don't understand leverage. They don't understand team building. They don't understand residuals. They don't understand the purpose of joining someone that knows what they're doing. They don't understand. They go out here and join anybody. And then when they get with somebody who has no ability to show them how to grow, then they're stuck trying to figure it out on their own and they end up quitting. And the next thing you know, they're calling it a scam. Go E1U Life is a crypto affiliate platform that is backed by a real product, which is white label Go High Level. I don't care how people twist it and turn it. They need to stop telling people incorrect information. Like it is just so crazy how people go out here every day and get on social media and tell lies and people go in and follow it up as if it's the truth instead of going to do their own due diligence and their own research. Network marketing is not a scam. The real scam is that people actually think they can get rich from free PDFs, YouTube videos, and don't have to invest in their growth or anything. Like that is not going to happen. You have got to put in some work. But just because a company decided to utilize the compensation structure of a network marketing opportunity where they pay people for referring people to the platform doesn't make it a scam and doesn't make it not legit. So Go E1U Life is different because we have real products. It's not just about recruiting. And we also have a 90 to 95% commission structure that is one of the top in the industry as far as what they pay out percentage wise. And we get paid in Bitcoin 100%. I don't know, but if you just recently noticed, Bitcoin was in the low 80s. It is now over 90 something thousand dollars. That is a percentage that you're going to get just by owning Bitcoin. And it's going to continue to go up. Like literally, when I first heard about Bitcoin, one Bitcoin was $1,100. I took my mortgage payment and bought a Bitcoin and joined an opportunity in 2017, $1,100. And one Bitcoin today is over $90,000. You do the math. You do the math. So I don't need to really explain to you guys the importance of doing your own due diligence. Like people jump from program to program to program, and then they wonder why they're not having success. You got to figure out what it is that you're wanting to get out of life. And you got to find a vehicle that's going to allow you to get there. In my opinion, with as minimal amount of work as possible. Yes, you got to put in some work, but there are more opportunities out there that require you to work harder than that require you to work smarter. Go E1U Life, E1U Life, whatever you want to call it. We're one of the opportunities that you can join. You're going to get leverage out of the gate. And if you understand the power of what you're getting access to and truly build a community of people that you're helping, you are literally going to be in position to be able to create life-changing income in a short period of time. So I want you to, learn that you're purchasing a business, ownership, the positioning and duplication of what you can do with Go E1U Life. There's nothing out there, in my opinion, that really can compete with what we have here. Literally when you're looking at the compensation structure and the leverage. If you're always chasing the next thing, you're never going to build anything. Go E1U Life is a vehicle, but you are the driver. You determine how far you will go. So I'm going to leave you with this. Go E1U Life isn't the problem. MLM and network marketing, it isn't the problem. Broke mindsets and culture vultures are the real scams, right? Go E1U Life isn't a scam. It is a system for people who actually show up and want to play to win. Do not let people with ill-formed opinions and broke mindsets decide your future. I want you to make the decision today that you're going to start building wealth, because the only thing worse, in my opinion, than being broke is thinking broke. If you're ready to move different, build different, and you want to plug into a system that actually builds crypto cash flow, I don't even need to tell you what to do. I am building a community of people who are wanting and going to win. We're going to level up in a way like never before. All you got to do is plug in and let's get it. That's all I wanted to say. I had to do this video really quick. I will be launching my things the 1st of May. I'm excited. And listen, I'm not taking no excuses. You either want it or you don't. There's too many ways for you to really get to this money. Do not trick yourself out of a bag by listening to people who don't really understand what they're talking about. When they're talking about MLM is a scam and network marketing is a scam and Go E1U Life is a scam, those people have no idea what they are talking about. I'm at a place where I'm looking to stack crypto, or people can stack their excuses. But either way, it's stacking season, baby. It's level up season, y'all. Let's get it, baby. Let's go. And I will see you on the next video.